Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, power down after the reset and remove network connections to reduce writes. Connect the device to a separate computer you trust. This prevents accidental syncing. Once connected, enable USB debugging or mount storage via OTG so the machine sees raw partitions. Install reputable recovery software and point it to the device's storage. Scanning must run read-only to avoid overwriting sectors. You're creating a safe environment, so deleted files remain recoverable. Now you run the heavy work. Start a sector-level, deep scan. This reconstructs fragments that quick scans miss. Use file type carving to reassemble JPGs, PNG, DocX, and archive formats. Carving ignores file tables and reads signatures. Monitor scan progress and note recovered file timestamps. Once scanning completes, export results to an external drive. Make sure to preview files before restoring them back to the device, because partial fragments can appear as corrupt files. Finish by copying verified files to a stable location, preferably a new device or external HDD, to avoid reintroducing write activity. Restore app-specific data cautiously. Applications may require matching versions and folder structures. Once done, run integrity checks on critical documents and photos. If you encounter corruption or missing pieces, rerun the scan with different carving settings or a different recovery engine. Sometimes multiple tools yield different outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.